Welcome back to Decor, where we explore inspiring home garden design ideas that bring beauty, comfort, and creativity to outdoor living. Today, we're stepping into a rustic vintage garden escape, a charming retreat filled with repurposed treasures, timeless character, and whimsical grace. Imagine weathered wood, antique accents, climbing roses, and cozy corners that tell stories from the past while creating a peaceful sanctuary in the present. This garden style celebrates imperfection, nostalgia, and the magic of giving old items a beautiful new purpose. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear which vintage garden elements inspire you the most. Now, let's explore this enchanting garden escape together. The journey begins with a winding garden path crafted from reclaimed bricks, aged stone, or weathered stepping stones. Soft moss grows between the gaps, creating a naturally aged appearance that instantly transports visitors into a storybook setting. Along the pathway, vintage lanterns, antique watering cans, and old wooden crates serve as decorative accents. These repurposed details add personality while guiding the eye deeper into the garden's hidden treasures. A rustic arbor draped with climbing roses or fragrant jasmine creates a warm and inviting entrance. The combination of natural growth and vintage materials establishes the whimsical atmosphere that defines the entire garden retreat. One of the most charming aspects of a rustic vintage garden is the creative reuse of old furniture. An antique iron bed frame can become a stunning flower trellis, supporting colorful blooms throughout the growing season. Weathered wooden chairs, old ladders, and vintage tables find new life as plant displays. Their worn finishes and faded textures contribute to the garden's authentic character while adding visual layers and interest. Instead of discarding items that show signs of age, this garden style celebrates them. Every scratch, faded paint mark, and weathered edge becomes part of the story, adding warmth and personality to the outdoor space. Vintage containers bring unexpected charm to garden displays. Old teapots, galvanized tubs, enamel pitchers, and antique buckets become unique planters overflowing with flowers and greenery. A collection of mismatched containers arranged together creates an eclectic and playful aesthetic. The variety of shapes, textures, and colors adds a sense of discovery around every corner of the garden. Trailing plants such as ivy, creeping jenny, and cascading petunias soften the edges of these repurposed vessels. Their graceful movement enhances the whimsical atmosphere while connecting vintage objects with the surrounding landscape. The heart of this rustic vintage escape lies in its lush and abundant planting style. Layers of roses, lavender, foxgloves, daisies, and hollyhocks create a romantic tapestry of color, fragrance, and texture. Rather than strict organization, plants mingle naturally, creating a relaxed and effortless appearance. This slightly untamed approach encourages pollinators and contributes to the garden's welcoming charm. Soft pastel blooms mixed with rich greenery evoke the feeling of an old countryside cottage garden. The result is a landscape that feels both timeless and deeply connected to nature. Hidden seating areas invite visitors to slow down and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. A weathered wooden bench beneath a flowering arbor becomes the perfect place to relax with a book or a cup of tea. Vintage accents such as bird cages, antique clocks, decorative mirrors, and reclaimed window frames add layers of visual interest. These carefully placed elements create focal points that spark curiosity and conversation. String lights, lanterns, and candle holders bring warmth and enchantment as evening approaches. Their gentle glow transforms the garden into a magical retreat where rustic elegance meets whimsical charm. A rustic vintage garden escape is more than a beautiful outdoor space. It is a celebration of creativity, sustainability, and the timeless beauty found in repurposed details and cherished imperfections. By combining antique treasures, romantic plantings, and imaginative design ideas, you can create a garden that feels welcoming, personal, and filled with enchanting character. Every corner becomes an opportunity to tell a story and inspire wonder. Thank you so much for joining us today on Decor. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite rustic vintage garden feature. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next garden inspiration journey.